finished eating dinner, and while I was eating dinner, we watched Hunger Games: The Mockingjay Part 2, which I haven't seen in a really long time. PETA still gets me. If you're new to my channel, you just don't know the history of PETA on my channels. Excuse the language, but name that movie. Hang on, let me get closer.
It is quite a lovely office. What's your deal, Cooper?
So name that movie. I know I don't give you guys a really long chance to see, but that's what makes it so challenging. I'm always watching movies, so I thought it would be fun to just kind of be like, name that TV show, name that movie in my vlogs. All right, so again, dinner is over, and you know, my nightly routine, I go around taking care of the house, I start closing blinds, I start getting my room ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let me get the tripod so that you guys get a nice good view. So this is a haul down here, which you can't really see, for Dollar Tree. This is stuff I want to try to sell on Poshmark, but I haven't like set it up. I don't even know how to do it, so I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube videos. But so it's just making my room look so cluttered, and it's hard when I just cleaned out my closet. It makes me want for like all of my other living spaces to be just as, you know, clean as my closet. But and then I still have stuff to do my bedroom makeover, which I am gonna get to. I really am. I did not make my bed today. That's loud. Took off all my makeup, I'm in my pajamas, and now I'm going to do some work. And that's what I do for the night. Hey guys, starting this vlog off in my car, obviously. I'm in the Starbucks line, so today I am picking up Starbucks. And I had to go to an appointment this morning, and so I'm coming back from that and grabbing my Starbucks. I'm trying to think of like what's next. I may or may not stop at a Dollar Tree on my way home. If I do, I'm gonna force myself to vlog so that you guys can just kind of, you know, see me outside of my house. And then off to the gym a little bit later, and that's the plan. Oh, I think I need to go to Tom Thumb, pick up some things for dinner. Dinner last night was delicious, and I realized I didn't have like the meat for tonight's dinner on the menu, so I'll be doing that. And now I'm about to grab my coffee, and then if I stop at Dollar Tree, I'll take you with me.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
It's gonna be $4.60.
There you go.
Do you need your receipt?
Yes.
Oh my god, thank you.
Thank you. I am back home. I decided not to go to Dollar Tree. It was just gonna be a spur of the moment thing. I didn't really have anything in my mind that I knew I wanted. So I wanted to make sure I came home and like wrote a list, because I know I need to go get things for like DIYs. So I didn't want it to be like a pointless trip. Anyway, I'm back home now, and I need to actually unload everything that I loaded into my car for the donation, because I picked a different one this time. I was gonna donate to the one I'm usually used to donate, but I wanna kind of donate to multiple different places. So this one actually comes and picks up So I need to now get everything out of my car, and I'm gonna store it right here because then I have to put it out tomorrow morning, and I don't want this stuff like sitting out for, you know, someone to like steal. Completely out of breath, but look at this. It's a huge mess. I need to get all of this a little bit better organized and put into boxes. They don't just pick stuff up like this without it being in some sort of container. So I'm gonna reorganize and try to put things into at least categories for them, like clothes and then shoes and then purse and then like decor and toys and stuff that I just never got around to using, things that are really old. So I'm gonna work on that next, but I need to charge my camera, so I don't know if I'll be able to vlog the part of me cleaning this up, but I'll show you guys what it looks like definitely when I'm done. All right, lots of things going on. Just jammed out to NSYNC. I was vacuuming the house. It's nighttime, and yes, this is not an accident. I did go to the gym. That's why I look ragged. And didn't even take off my makeup, which was not a good idea, so won't make that mistake again. It was a good gym workout. It was a hard one, but I did it. And your girl might have met somebody, but we won't get into that. So this, Loxie and I were playing the other night, and she like pawed, and I like had my face like close to her paws because she was laying down and she was like doing this, and she grabbed my lip and it just like has been swollen. And so I had this like medication on it to keep it from being swollen. I don't know why, but it's also scratched as well, so that's like probably what's keeping it a little bit more tender and swollen until like the scratch heals. I have all of my stuff back there for the donation pickup tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna get that put out tomorrow morning early because they come between 7 and 5. I was like, okay. So TV's loud. I'm watching Counting On. And my daughter is out having dinner with a friend, so I didn't have to make dinner tonight, which was supposed to have been pasta salad. I thought that I was gonna need to go get like chicken for our dinner, but tomorrow night is gonna be chicken and veggies. So yeah, I'm still in my workout clothes because I knew I was gonna come home and do some cleaning, but I think I'm gonna save the vacuuming in my office and in the dining room for when that stuff goes. So I'll handle that. And now I'm going to take a shower, take off my makeup, and then I'm gonna sit down and do some more work, some more writing in my laptop, and I'll see you guys in that clip. I need new pillows. I think it's time to get some. For sure. I think so. Alright, making my bed at night. Like, what the hell? go casual preppy, I really want to wear my polka dot shoes. So I'm thinking about this Ralph Lauren blue shirt and these shoes from Walmart. I think that would be cute with some light colored jeans. And there's a lot of blue going on right now. Also, my Dollar Tree blue theme video is up, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it if you want to. So I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna wear these.